Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the very first Glitter Bitch box. And if you're not familiar with this subscription, it's actually Trisha Paytas, who's a YouTuber. It's her subscription box, and I've been watching Trisha for probably 6 or 7 years, and I love her. So I thought I would definitely try this out because she likes good things, and I feel like whatever she's putting in this box is going to be pretty awesome. So I don't want to lift this box up or else it's too shiny and it'll blind you, but there's like a little keyhole here, and it's the outline of her body, which I think is just a really cute touch. So right on top we have a little thank you card, and on the back is a picture of Trisha, and this picture is actually the top part of the box back here. Won't all fit in the screen, but that's what it looks like on the inside of the box. Little sticker. Let's take a look. So there's supposed to be at least 7 items or more in here with a retail value of over $150 per box. And it ships, I believe, every other month. So it's not a monthly subscription, it's just every other. Let's take a look. Already I'm loving it. Look how shiny that is. Cute. It almost looks like you could use it as probably a passport holder. Not sure if that's what it's supposed to be used for, or you could put it in your purse. But that's really cute. Love the pink, and then it has her little logo at the bottom here. Then we got a bag. Trisha loves her bags. So of course it's see-through, and then the sides are a beautiful pink color. And then inside is another little bag. Feels like it has something in it. And it's just a strap that attaches to here to make it bigger. That's cute. I've heard that the clear bags are kind of going to be in this summer, so very nice. Next up, I have one of these. It's in a different color, but I love this. So I keep mine in the freezer, and you're supposed to like roll it on your face. I think it's supposed to be for like circulation and like anti-aging, but I actually use mine when I have headaches. If I have a migraine headache, like I said, I keep it in the freezer and I roll it across my head and they just instantly go away. Love it. It's a little jade roller, and of course it's pink. And then we have Diva Glitzy Silky Styling Glaze Body and Bounce. I have not heard of that brand, but it says it's light and volumizing hair glaze that melts into hair for a soft velour-like finish. Nice. Definitely give that a try. And then I see some popcorn. Did we get a popcorn machine? We did. How fun. A part of Trisha Paytas Glitter Bitch kitchenware series. So there's going to be more kitchenware. That's exciting. So there's what it said, just tells you how to use it. It pops up. That's kind of cool. And then of course she sent a pack of popcorn. That's neat. So here's what it looks like. This part has like the little popcorn on it. It's silicone. And this, I didn't read the instructions yet. I guess I should do that, but I'm guessing it pops down like that. Let's see how you use it. So it looks really easy. I like that it collapses because I have way too many kitchen appliances, but you pop it up, you put the kernels in it, and then you put the lid on, and then you put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes or until the 2 to 3 second between the pops. That's it. Remove the lid, spray a little oil or butter on top, sprinkle some other stuff if you want. That's super cool. Definitely gonna give that a try. I'll let you guys know in the comments once I've used it, because I'm sure the kids are gonna want to use that as soon as possible. They love popcorn. Then, oh, this must be the dust that goes on here. I've included enough kernels for 3 servings of sweet caramel apple glitter popcorn. So this is probably the glitter. Huh, that's cool. They probably should have labeled that so people know it's edible if that's what it's used for. But that's fun. I like that. That's really cute. So let's see what else we got. So this is just glitter. You can use, it says it's safe for your body, face, hair, and nails. Easy to apply with your fingers or a makeup brush. And she has been using a lot of, or wearing a lot of glitter on her face lately. So maybe that was like a sneak peek, kind of a hint of what we were getting. There's a little wand. And then we have a beautiful kind of teal color. And then a silver holographic one. That's really neat. Cool. And then the box on this one got a little smush, but that's okay. Cover Cocoa London Glow Mask. It says it's a high quality face mask that helps skin recover. So I could definitely use that. So you just put it on, wait till it dries, and then peel it away, and then rinse off any that remains. Cool. I'll show you what that looks like. See if it smells like anything. There's a little scooper. Oh my gosh, it's cold. I was not expecting that. I'm glad I opened that for you guys. Look at that. Has stars in it and tons of glitter. That quite possibly is the coolest face mask I've ever seen. How fun. I love this. So I don't know if I signed up for the year subscription or what. I will definitely get a couple though, to see what they're like. And there's the bottom of the box with the logo. How fun. So we got the bag and the little mini bag inside. We got a popcorn maker, a little wallet or maybe passport wallet. I'm going to use it for passports. Face mask, face glitter, hair products, and a little face roller. So I think that's a pretty good value. Lots of fun stuff. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to sign up for a subscription, I'll put all of her information below and a link to her channel in case you haven't been blessed to see Trisha Paytas. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.